Lesson 11. Fitting into my church. This lesson is still about living in the family of God, but shining the spotlight on the local congregation where you are now. What are the magnetic features of your church, as well as potential avenues for involvement? Emphasize the positive. No local church is perfect, but it is still God's primary agency for fulfilling His redemptive plan in the world. It is the primary avenue for worship, Bible instruction, fellowship, training, and involvement in ministry that God intended. It is said that the church is a divine institution founded by Jesus, but it is also a human institution. It is an organized group of imperfect saints, all of whom have faults and weaknesses. But instead of reacting to its imperfections, we want to increase your appreciation for the things your church and its leaders are doing right. Ask, what initially attracted you to the church you're now attending? How did the Lord use your church's overall ministry to aid your spiritual development? What contributions of your pastoral staff members do you most appreciate? Ask, how do I get involved in my church? Every believer should be so involved in the church's life that he leaves a vacancy when he moves away or dies. Everyone is a minister. Rather than sit and watch an elite few perform, it's God's desire that everyone get involved in the work of a church. Without such involvement, spiritual maturity is hampered. Here are some ways to fit into the work of your church. Get involved by joining the church. Get involved by attending regularly. Get involved through contributing financially. Get involved through serving. As Paul suggested in Ephesians 2:10, he saved you for the purpose of ministry. Ask the Lord to show you ways in which He wants you to serve through your church. If you move out of town, be sure you leave a vacancy in your church.